Ocean View is my hometown. I love the people around me. But especially for females, Ocean View is also a very difficult place to stay. The children play outside and sometimes they do get killed in gang crossfire. We try our best, and spinning is one of the things that keep the crime as low as possible. My brother and my husband started spinning. When the tire actually bursts, it's like, whoa, there you go. It's like freaking amazing. We don't have a place to go and spin legally. So I was spinning the car in the road. Nathan and my son was sitting next to me. The next minute, the thought of what if. I did feel I don't want to spin the car again. And my dad said, you know what, Rene? Just get in the car and drive the car. And I got in the car with that fear. It's not noise, it's the sound of joy. It's part of who we are, basically.